that contact, a little bit more advantage to the offensive player. We see that at that time.
Angola made that look easy.
Big-time athlete, and he's going to go down there, and he's going to get a big-time dunk.
Oh, MJ Walker.
Because it becomes a culture, and I think that's what makes great programs. The Dukes, the Carolinas, the Syracuses, is there's just a certain culture they have.
That was a deep, deep three, and that one, no need to find out if the bank is open for MJ on that one.
I think there is a guard over 6'1" that's in this game right now.
And now PJ Savoy heating up. MJ again. Oh, and Doc Sadler. He's going, what is going on? Florida State's going to keep shooting the threes. That's Angola. Sat out last year after transferring to Southern Miss. Angola again. That's the 7th made triple for FSU in 12 attempts in this first half. It was an all-time game.
The L train.
Yeah, so McLeod would be on that list. There's Savoy.
You got another guy
one in the G League, yeah. And Florida State unconscious outside. Savoy now with his 3rd triple. Shot clock's at 6. There's time. That's a good extra pass that you talked about.
That's it. I think one of the things at Florida State, they come in, the Southern Miss team, they shot that time by Brandon Allen. And then Brandon Allen had time to miss.
Oh, Cabangeli's going to shoot outside. Are you kidding me?
All right, he's going for a second. Well, there he is. There he is. There he is.
Look at that smile. Wow. Cabangeli and company, all smiles in Tallahassee. Shot, though, amongst 3 white jerseys. From the wing. Why not? Why not another?
Came in, knew what he was getting himself into, and has done the best with just kind of a program that's just trying to build himself back up. Come in pretty confident after having a big game.
Oh, there's number 5 for MJ.
Here in the, in the state of Florida.
The best development today may be that PJ Savoy looks confident with his stroke.
It's from this year's team to last year's.
Oh, another triple. Travis Light.
Travis Light wanted to get in on the action.
And I think they're a little more varied. Another one for
Light. T-Light.
Travis Light. 2 in a row for the lefty. We're approaching school record territory now. 19 threes. The school record is 20. See where Florida State wins it 98-45.